guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I hope you are doing well. So let's get started. So today's the question of our the interview question that we are going to cover is basically a factorial. So this is like one of the famous question in interview in JavaScript, and there are basically three scenarios in which an interviewer can ask. So let's get started. So first approach is our basic approach. How can we calculate the factorial? So let's get started. So the first scenario which you will have to cover was that if what if the number is basically 0. So you have to remember guys, the basic mathematical concept is there. So if number is either 0 or either 1, its factorial is always 1. So we will first cover this scenario. We will simply return over here 1. So this scenario is covered. We will go with else condition. So guys, as you know, like the factorial, how can we solve the factorial question? So basically factorial is nothing but a multiplication of that particular number in decrement order. So if it is 5 over here for in our example, so what we need to do, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, unless until our number is greater than 0. So here two approaches can be there. One is with the for loop and another with the while loop. So I will prefer while loop guys, and for that what we will basically do is here we will simply let our output as 1 for now, as we need to do the product, so that's why I kept it as 1. So let's start the while loop. So while our number which has been given to us is greater than 0, and in that what we will do is that we will simply write our output is equal to output multiply by number that is been provided, and we will simply decrement the number minus minus, and what we will return, we will simply return this output. That's it guys, it's that easy. I will explain you. First let's check the scenario. Let's check the output node tutorial. Yeah, so the output is correct guys. So this, the thing is that our number is 5, right? So it check the base condition first. Okay, it is not 0 and 1, so let's go on the else condition. So our current number is 5, so here our number is 5. So what here happens is that inside output our output was 1, so 1 into 5 happened, and 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. So the our current output becomes 5 and our number get decremented. Again while loop started. In second scenario our number is became 5 because we have decremented this number, and our output will be 5, which is previous one, multiply by 4. So now our output becomes 20 guys. 5 into 4 is 20, and this scenario continues till our number is greater than 0, that is 1. So 5 into 4 becomes 20, then again 5 into 20 into 3, that is 60, then 60 into 2, that is 120, and then 120 into basically 1, that is 120 again. So here interviewer can ask you, can you improve anything in this? So you can say that yes sir, I can. What I can do is I can improve one, I can reduce one looping condition by simply writing number is greater than 1, because guys if we had 120 and then again we are again looping it by 120 into 1, that will always give us 120. So this is the one scenario which interviewer can get you, and we can simply check the output here as well. Here it is 120 again. The second scenario is that he will say you that solve this factorial problem with the help of recursion. Recursion. So how to do this guys? Let's solve that one as well. So I will simply copy the function. Okay guys, so now the same, the base scenario, the base condition we will check if our number is basically 1 or not, 1 or 0, then we will return, and we will write in the else condition our recursion question. So you guys might have a familiar with this word recursion. Recursion is basically when a function call itself to solve a certain condition or solve a certain problem. So what we will do is here we will simply use our function to solve our problem, because you know guys, here in while condition what we were doing, we are uh, again and again calculating the output by reducing our number, and here in this function we are passing our number itself. So why can't we use our function itself to solve this problem? So how can we do it guys? So see, it is very easy if you understand this. So we will simply return, what we will return, we will return our so this is our number. What we were doing previously, we are simply writing, we are basically doing number into number minus 1. This is what we were doing previously, because we are decrementing the number, and again inside output we are multiplying with the decremented number. So here this decremented number we will pass to our function again. Got it guys? We will pass this decremented number to our function again. So with this, our firstly our number is 5. Then what I am calling, I am calling this factorial by saying that multiply my 5 number with number minus 1, that is 4. So again this will go unless and until we get our final output. So let's check this one if we are correct or not. Yes, we are correct guys. So this is basically a, factorial problem with the help of recursion. And I have one more scenario for you guys. So what if our factorial is negative number? What will happen? This is another interview question that has been asked in Infosys. What if I wanted to calculate the minus factorial? So guys, here this is a very tricky scenario. You might say that okay, so 5 into 4, so this will go 5 into 4 into 3, just the output will be minus 120. No guys, remember guys, what we are doing, we are decrementing the number. So if we are decrementing minus 5 by minus 1, the output will be minus 6. Then again minus 6, output will be minus 7, and this goes till infinity guys. So our this whole concept of recursion will fail. Even this normal method, we are solving this problem, and normal method will again fail, because what we are doing, we are decrementing the number, and we are checking what, while number is greater than 1, our number gets decremented each time. So minus 5 becomes minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 10, dot till infinity. So our app gets stuck, and our we can't have output of this answer guys. Let's check it. See guys, I get this error, maximum call stack size exceeded. Because why? Because we are multiplying the negative number again and again. So this is an issue. So you have to simply say to an interviewer, in order to calculate the factorial, our number should always be greater than uh, uh, a 0. So here we can write else if condition as well. Else if our number should be greater than, if our number is less than 0, we simply return number in factorial should always greater than 0. So now let's check it. Okay, this is, I need to do minus 5. Yes, this is, we have solved this. So this is an again tricky interview question. This scenario can again be added over here as well. So this is how an interviewer can get you simple question of factorial using normal function using recursion, but still this scenario you should cover. If you cover this all this scenario, then you have higher probability of getting selected in an interview. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you like this video, please make sure you put a thumbs up to this video, and please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for supporting, thanks for watching this video. I hope you will crack your interview, and all the best guys. Thank you so much.